Hello! Today we have a package from Oak City Inline Skate Shop. And let's see what's inside. Shout out to SSJ Meta Skates. He made a video of their sale. I went to their website and just went crazy. Let's see what they got. What is this thing? Okay, it's just a flap. Ooh! Alright. Got Oak City sticker. We got wheels. So 6 here. 2 of them on the side. These are ground control Jeff Howard 60mm 90A, and they're supposed to glow in the dark. Let's move out of the way. We've got 2 sets of frames. These are team frames, $5 team frames. Axles, the frame spacer. It doesn't feel like it. I guess we need barrel spacers, but I have those. But yeah, these feel pretty good. Some flex in the front, but not here at the bridges. Let's move that out of the way. There's lollipops. What is this thing here? Oh, another Oak City sticker. Cool. What is that? More Oak City stickers. Oh man, this is gonna be sticker bombed everywhere. Let's see, you got the black ones too. They were both $5, so I just had to get them. Very nice. It's probably information thing on the back. I'm not gonna flip that over. But we got a set of bearings. ABEC 5. ZZ809. Are they all the same? Yeah, they look all the same. Nice. So a lot of times they have free bearings, and I just put it in the cart and we got them all. Also, take a look at the skate park Discord, description and the link below. Thank you for watching, and bye.